Hi, I'm Stacey with the Internet of Things podcast and Stacey on IoT. And I'm here to show you today how to install a brand new connected door lock. Today's door lock that we're going to be installing is the Schlage Sense lock. Okay, to install a connected lock, all you're going to do is first take off the old lock. So to do that, you're going to open your door, you're going to turn the deadbolt like this. And then you're going to take a piece of painter's tape and stick it on the old lock right here. The reason you're going to do this is because you're going to start unscrewing things, and when you unscrew things, this lock is actually going to fall right out. And if you've got the painter's tape there, it stays. So now we're going to just start unscrewing. This is the most glamorous part of the operation. We're going to take that tape from this side, and we're going to pull out the lock, and we start unscrewing the side. Once you've got the old lock out, it's time to put the new lock in. You're going to pull out this piece right here. You're going to look for the words top that you're going to see somewhere up on the lock, and you're going to make sure that is on top. Once you've got that deadbolt installed, you're going to install the lock part, and you're going to have two pieces that matter. This piece, which is going to go on the outside of your door, and this piece, which is going to go on the inside. Notice that on this piece, it says against door, and on the back side it says top. That means exactly what you think it means. You're going to put this against the door like this, facing up. We're going to put this through. We're going to string this wire underneath here, and we're going to use the Phillips head. Okay, next step after you've installed the plate and the back side is this guy. It's heavy, it's full of electronics, and right here we've added a battery pack. It slides right in there. What you're going to want to do is you're going to take this wire right here. You're going to hook it in right here. There's a channel that wire is going to follow, and if you want this to mount flush to the wall, you're going to want to put that wire right in there in that channel. The other thing to note is right here, this has a definitive orientation, locked, unlocked. Actually, that might be the opposite way. Doesn't matter. Just make sure the orientation of this thing matches the orientation of this thing right here. So, with that in mind, let's plug this in. So you're actually going to take this tiny little screw right here and screw it in. This is a good time to pause and just make sure your lock locks and unlocks. And then you're going to just slide this top piece right over there. Now is when you get to actually take out your phone and connect this. So what we're doing, I'm using my iPhone for this because this is a Homekit enabled lock. First, we're going to download the Schlage app. I've already done that and created an account. And now I've opened it. Add new lock. We're going to go My Home. It beeped and flashed. Yes. Now I'm going to continue. Now here comes the magic of Homekit. It makes it so easy to pair devices on your network. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the instruction manual. This is also on the box and also on the device itself for Homekit devices. At this point in the process, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold my phone in front of this guy, and it's just going to automatically connect to my Wi-Fi network. Now I just have to give it a nickname for Siri. This is the voice name I will use for this lock. This lock goes up to my roof, so I'm going to call it Roof Lock. I also can use this time to program an access code, which means if you don't have your phone or a key and you're outside, you can actually just hit this code and you'll be able to open it. And now we're going to make sure the roof lock works. Ta-da! And that is how you install a connected lock. For more tips and tricks, check out stacyoniot.com or the Internet of Things podcast.